non-persistent XSS attack on buggy web application. So what we are going to learn here in this video, we are going to take a look at a couple of points that what is non-persistent XSS attack, and I will also show you an example and explanation of non-persistent XSS attack inside Kali Linux operating system. So again, you need to open Kali Linux and open Matilde inside the browser. So we are at Kali Linux operating system, and in the browser Matilde is already open. You can click on home to come back to the home. Alright. Okay. Now we are going to perform non-persistent XSS attack. So let me go to the non-persistent OS 2017, come to the XSS, come to the reflected. Reflected is also called non-persistent attack, and click on DNS lookup. Okay. So we are here at the non-persistent or reflected type of XSS attack, and as I already told you that non-persistent means basically it is not a permanent attack. It is a kind of temporary attack to gather information about the user, or to basically provide a warning message to the user, etc. So this is the work of non-persistent XSS attack, and it is less harmful than the persistent one, because persistent is basically permanent, and because all the users will get harm. Okay, so I'm going to start with the very basic command of non-persistent XSS attack, right? So let me type. So first of all, let me open the script. All right, and after that you need to type alert, open and close small bracket, and inside you can type hello, double quotes close, and then script close. Okay, so this is the command, right? The command is quite simple. Script open, and then alert. The use of alert is basically it provides the pop-up box, and inside that you can type any sentence or any word. For example, if I type hello, right? For example, hello Sunil, anything you can type, right? So alert is used to provide a pop-up box, and inside that pop-up box you will find the message hello Sunil, right? If it happens, it means the website is vulnerable to non-persistent XSS attack. And then script close, right? And you can click on lookup DNS. Let me click on this, and here it is. You can see here that a pop-up has come, and inside this pop-up it is showing me the message which I have typed inside the query, hello Sunil. It means this website is actually vulnerable to XSS attack, and particularly non-persistent XSS attack. All right. So this is the very basic example of the non-persistent. Now, for example, if you want to gather information about the cookie of the particular user, how we can gather? So what will happen basically to gather information about the cookie? You can use this command. First of all, script open, right? Alert. Inside alert you can directly type document.cookie, and then script close. All right, so this is script open. Inside alert to get the pop-up box, and inside alert I need to find out document.cookie and then script close. There is no double quotes in the document.cookie because this is a function, or this is a command. In the previous one we were typing a word, so that's why we need to provide the double quotes. Here you don't need to provide any double quote here, and we are trying to gather information about the cookie of a particular user. Now you can click on lookup DNS, and here you can see that pop-up box has come, and now it is showing me the PHP session ID of the particular users, right? So this session ID is basically a different for the different users, right? So to gather information about a particular user, you can use this query for that particular computer, for that particular user. All right, so we got the PHP session ID. It means we got the cookie information of the user using XSS attack. Now this is non-persistent because it is not permanent. It is a temporary, because I am just trying to gather information about the user. So it will not be considered inside the persistent XSS attack, which is a permanent attack. It is non-persistent attack. All right. So I hope you have learned that what is the meaning of non-persistent attack and how it works. So this is all about the non-persistent attack, and in the next video we are going to take a look at the third type of accesses, which is DOM based accesses attack. Thank you so much.